Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What an absolutely amazing find this car is. It is really an absolute one-off, direct from the last owner, who I've dealt with since 1985. The car is absolutely gorgeous. A Mercedes-Benz A180D Sport Executive. Finished in Cosmos Black Metallic. Absolutely gleaming away. Incredibly low mileage. Registered in September 2018 on a 68 plate. Unbelievable mileage of just 1357. Great spec on this. Fabulous to drive. Real punchy engine, 1.5, 115 brake horsepower, automatic gearbox. It's got the twin exhaust, chrome shining away. It's just beautiful in black. Great size boot. It is almost like brand new in there. No damage, no marks, no scuffs. Split folding rear seats, through load facility. Additional storage just under the mat under there. All the toolkit there complete. Loading area all nice and clean and no damage at all on there. Rear parking camera as well. Absolutely gorgeous all the way down the sides. There's no dents, no scratches, no scuffs, no little dings anywhere. All the wheels like brand new. Not a mark on any of these. 17-inch wheels. Fitted with matching Michelin tyres all the way around. Front parking sensors. What a beauty it is. Lots of legroom in there. Proper three-seater at the back. Beautiful upholstery. Leather and cloth. Just smell the leather. It's fabulous. It's gorgeous. Non-smoker's car. No horrible smells in here. Just like new. All the trims in great condition. Electric rear windows. Electric windows front and rear. Again, all the trims, great condition. Heated seats. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Again, the upholstery on the driver's side, all in great condition. It's got the sport seats with the additional support on your legs. You can adjust that. Look at the detail to that. White stitching to match the white cloth trim. All absolutely fabulous condition. Front centre armrest with USB aux input in there. Passenger heated seat. Folding mirrors. It's got this gorgeous carbon trim on the doors and across the dashboard. Great dashboard. Absolutely beautiful, straightforward on that. Still got the plastic tags from when it was new. How's that? 1357 miles. That's what it's done. Love the dashboard on this, nice and clear. DAB radio, Bluetooth connection, media input, all nice clear display. Reverse camera. You've also got the display just in case you've got anything by the side of you to warn you on there how close you're getting on the sides as well. Makes it very easy to park this vehicle. Great vision all the way around. Adjustable suspension, so you can set that exactly how you like it. Individual, sport, comfort, eco. Satellite navigation, nice clear map. Great stereo system on it. Love the screen, nice and clear. All easily controlled off the steering wheel. All the buttons there, volume, stereo. Just scroll across. So easy to follow. Again, the navigation is straight in front of you, so you don't take the eyes off the road. Digital dashboard. Digital mileometer read. This great steering wheel. You've got cruise control, speed limiter, paddle shift gear change, dual zone climate control, keyless start, are just some of the features. The car is absolutely like brand new inside as well as outside. There's great seats on there. You've got automatic lights, automatic wipers, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange, great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP, your PCP deal. You can reserve this car 24/7, and many customers do, to make sure you don't miss out. This really is a one-off with 1357 miles. Outstanding condition. Multi-award-winning dealer, Specialist Cars in Stoke on Trent, Staffordshire. Here to help you. Phone number 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans review and see why customers come back to us time and time again. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.